Hello, welcome. Today we are going to be learning about the second data type known as string. In the previous class, we learned about integer, is it not? And we learned about the mathematical operations that can go through for an integer value. So we can have plus, minus, is it not? Multiplication, modulus, which is the remainder in a division, floor division, exponential, is it not? Now, in using these operations, it's always good that we observe this BODMAS rule in general mathematics. You understand? If you have something like this, instead of saying that you must do 3 times 4 first, you know it's wrong. In considering BODMAS, what should you consider first? The one that is inside bracket. So you must, if you have this expression to evaluate, you must say 2 plus 3 first, which is what? 2 plus 3 is 5. Before you now say 5 multiplied by what? 4. To give you what? 20. So you solve out the one in bracket first before the other one. So after the one in bracket, you do the what? Of. Division, multiplication, addition, then what? Subtraction. That is called the order of solving for mathematics. Now we are going to look at string. We say that string is collection of characters, is it not? If you say that A is equal to Ada in double quotes, this is a string. Anything that has double quotes, you understand? So this is the variable A, and the value is string known as what? Ada. String is just collection of characters, you understand? Put inside a double quote. Is that clear? So we have this string, my string. The variable name is what? My string. And the value is what? Mr. Austin, my teacher. Or you can say Mr. Austin is my teacher. That's the value. So if you say print my string, what will be the answer? What will come out? What will come out is what? Mr. Austin is my teacher. Why will that come out? Because you've already assigned the value of Mr. Austin is my teacher to the variable my string. So whenever you say print my string, it prints the value of this variable, which is Mr. Austin is my teacher. Is that clear? Now you can have what we call multi-line string. A string that is not only in one line. You can see this line is taken, then you have another line. And the string contains the string what? I love coding in Python. So whenever you want to have a multi-line string, you enclose it in 3 single quotes. 3 single quotes, you understand, beginning and end. This shows a multi-line what? String. So if you now say print multi-line string, you will see that this string will be in double line. Is that clear? Now you can also add 2 strings together using the plus sign. So this string, my quote, is the addition of the string, my string, which is Mr. Austin is my teacher, and another string, multi-line string, which is what? I love coding. So if you run this now, you will see what? If you print my quote, what will you see? Mr. Austin is my teacher. I love coding in Python. Is that clear? So whenever you want to print out a string, you see there is no single quote again. But what if you want to print this one without this my string, without this variable? It would have been what? What would it have been? It would have been print in brackets Mr. Austin is my what? Teacher. You see, this one is in quote, but because you are putting a variable, you don't need to put quote on top of a variable. Is that clear? But if you are putting the string directly, you have to put this double quote. Is that clear? So that's why we say print my quote. This my quote is not a string. It's a string, but it doesn't have quote. Why? Because this is a variable representing this string. Is that clear? Now we have what we call formatting a string. We can format a string. Like this string now, how many strings are here? We have I like you. This is a string enclosed in quotes because it's not a variable. This is another string, my string. My string is a variable representing what? Mr. Austin is my teacher. That's why it does not have quote on it. But this one has a quote because it's not a variable. Then my quote is another word variable representing the string, my string, and what? Multi-line string. So if you want to format them, if you want to place them the way you want, you have to use this modulo sign. This S represents that you are representing a word string. So which string is this one? I like you. Which string is this one? My string. Which string is this one? My quotes. Then when you finish, you also put in bracket. Then in front of the bracket, you put this modulo sign. So in that you are using this to format the string inside this bracket. Is that clear? So when you now say print, I don't like, and you put n equal to empty quotes, you are just trying to tell it that the next string that is going to print, that you should put it here, that it should not go to the next line. So when you now say, when you print this and print new line, you see that this new line will be written at the back of this place. Is that clear? Then when you say print new line 5 times, this is what this one means. Print new line what? 5 times. So you're going to write all this code on Python, run, so that you see the effect of all this. Is that clear? Now, very, very importantly, there are other ways of formatting strings. You understand? There are other ways of formatting strings depending on the string that you are formatting. If you have something like this, the meaning is that it should justify to the right by 8 digits. You understand? This one means justify to the right by how many digits? 8 digits. But when you have something like this, it simply means justify to the what? Justify to the left by how many digits? Still that same what? 8 digits. You understand? These are other ways of formatting. You can also format by significant figures, which we are going to see later. You can format by double, by many other things. But take note of this too, because we are going to be using it for an assignment. You understand? So write this inside your notes. Then write the other codes and Python and see the output. Please subscribe to our channel so that you can see our subsequent lectures on Python. In subsequent classes, we'll be looking at lists, which is a form of array, and we'll be looking at tuples and doubles. Yes, thank you.